Okay, Nikki, this is your first sandbox at home. Yeah.
Yes.
You liking it? What are you making, huh? Yeah? She's very busy. And let's see where Mia is. Ooh, Mia's getting some love right here.
Hey, Mia.
Mia. Hi, sweetie. And let's see what the little one is doing in the box. She's very busy. Very busy. Okay, Mia, you're a good girl. Oh, don't sit on me. Yeah, yeah. Don't put it in your mouth, honey. Don't put it in your mouth. You lost your little shovel now, huh? There she goes. She seems to really like it.
Yeah.
That's fun, huh? It's fun, fun, fun. Nikki, Nicole, Nicole, Nicole. Oh, she's very busy. Very busy. In her little watermelon t-shirt. Yay! Yeah. Say Dada, yeah, Dada. Look at those little feet in the sand. Oh, Sandy. Say bye.
Bye.